G'day guys, Chris here from Fluidcraft, and today we're here at Manitou Centre, Sydney, and we're here with Matt Sanaki. G'day Matt.
Welcome back, mate.
Thank you very much.
Let's go for a tour, eh?
Let's go for a look. Right, we're here this morning with Matt from Manitou Centre, Sydney. Thanks so much again for having us here today, Matt. We'd just like to have a chat about what Fluidcraft does for Manitou and how we support your operations here.
Yeah, we've had a relationship with Fluidcraft for many years now, and you guys have provided us with support through a whole wide range of solutions. Primarily, we do a lot of mine specking on the new machines, so you guys are really good at accommodating those needs. Cylinder repairs as well, that's a big one for us. A lot of our machines are quite large in scale. That's where you guys step in, and you do a fantastic job.
Great working on those mine spec builds where your customers have specific needs and sites have specific needs for their own operations, and it's good working with you guys on finding solutions for that. And the Manitou gear is really top class, especially when I hear from our engineering team they love working on your cylinders. So tell us, Matt, some of the challenges you face with your operations in the day-to-day.
We do a lot of new machine builds, some of those from mine sites. They're very particular about the standards they use. Quite commonly in New South Wales they're referring to MDG 15, and that's where you guys step in.
Yeah, MDG 15, MDG 41, which is in relation to those hydraulic hose safety standards and built to a minimum safety standard with your burst sleeving and things like that. We do a bit on the fire safety as well with hoses, making sure we've got all clamped hoses and crimped hoses on the fuel system, and then they're all fire sleeved and stuff like that as well. So I know we support your pre-delivery team here at Manitou. Can you tell us a little bit about that, how Fluidcraft supports you?
Our customers have pretty standard and sometimes unique requirements. With a lot of the forklift sales, we're selling specialised attachments, whether it be something standard like a side shift fork positioner or a rotator, tyre handler, whatever it may be, and you guys, that's where we engage you guys. We're very fast paced as a dealership, you can imagine, customer trying to meet the demand, and there's been quite a few times there I put Josh under the pump and he's delivered. So yeah, that service for us is crucial.
How do you book in a job with us?
Yeah, so myself and the team, we just call into the office. We normally speak with Josh. I get him on the mobile sometimes, they call the office. First time, every time, he'll answer and he'll do his best to book it in first available. Yeah, recently we had a customer that bought a number of skid steer machines from us, and they had quite a bespoke requirement for anti-drop on the cylinders to meet the site requirements. And yeah, that's where you guys stepped in.
Matt, that's a great example actually. I remember the job well. Our technician came to site, worked out what was required, relayed that information back to our engineering team, and then we made the changes we needed to with the cylinder. We tested that cylinder, brought it back to site, got it fitted, and then hosed up, of course. So
yeah, we were really pleased with the result, to be honest. The level of precision that went into it, from the design all the way through to the end, was outstanding, and it was a great result for our customer.
Being in the Australian market, we're quite diverse in the industries we support. Tell us a little bit about some of the specifics that our engineering team helps you with.
Local safety requirements can dictate specialised solutions, and for us, that's where we reach out to you guys, and you guys are able to provide an end-to-end solution, which is really important to us. You guys are the specialists in that area, and you do a fantastic job of it.
Yeah, thanks very much. We enjoy that type of work, and that's what our team is equipped for and set up for. Matt, thanks so much for having us here today and showing us around and talking about your operation. We really love working with you guys, so thank you.
It's a pleasure, mate. Appreciate your support.